Hey everyone, this is Tim Brands with iBusiness Solutions. Today I want to take you through a tool that I first used over 15 years ago. It is one of my favorite tools for any project related to data, business metrics, and analytics. Recently, after a 90-minute whiteboard session working through this tool with a client, the controller said to me, "You are actually making sense out of our business." So let's take a look at what we call the business hierarchy model. Every organization has natural business hierarchies around which that business is structured, managed, and reported on. The business hierarchy model visually represents these hierarchies, the major data attributes, and the performance measures needed to effectively communicate, influence, and anticipate what is happening in your business. For example, let's look at the time hierarchy. In a typical time hierarchy, hours roll up into day parts roll up into days roll up into months into quarters, quarters to years, and finally we can look at our data across all of time. That's as high as we go in this particular hierarchy, so we can ignore or simply remove the top level. As we define our hierarchies, we may discover important attributes, so we can begin to capture these at the appropriate level of each hierarchy. In this case, attributes for what day of the week a particular day is and whether or not that particular day is a holiday. Then we can go on to the next hierarchy in our business, such as geography. In our geography hierarchy, we start at postal code and go up from there, including an attribute on county for Metropolitan Statistical Area, or MSA. And your business may have any number of hierarchies, such as organization, products, customers, employees, and more. Once defined, the business hierarchy model simplifies the complexity of your business and data, and very early on in your project, this model will allow you to effectively communicate with business stakeholders and your IT project team on your project size, scope, priorities, and much, much more. Over the years of using the business hierarchy model, we have evolved it to include other components and additional details to clearly define and clearly communicate complex requirements for data, reporting, and analytics. So if you want to see how other companies have made sense out of their business and saved significant amounts of project time, costs, and frustration, our entire business hierarchy model in its newly published template is available for you to download today. And the good news, it's currently available for free. You get access to the exact same business hierarchy model template our consultants use on our client projects, along with several real-world examples. You can finally see your data complexity simply. So if you want to check out our business hierarchy model to see if it's for you, fill out the blue box to the right. If not, no worries. I hope you got some really good ideas from this video either way, and I'll see you guys in the next video.